In this video, we are going to sketch the discrete time signals. So let us say we need to sketch the signal x of n equal to 1, 2, 1 and the arrow is given at 2, the center element. So let us see how we are going to proceed with and sketch this signal. To sketch this signal, first of all, prepare a table for index n and the amplitude of signal x of n. So this signal has 3 samples which are 1, 2 and 1. And now we are supposed to find out the value of n for these corresponding amplitudes. For this, we need to check the given equation carefully. Here we have arrow placed at the element 2. So this arrow indicates the origin on which you are going to draw the signal. So this arrow indicates the origin. Towards left hand side, we have the negative indices. So here we will have -1, and towards positive side, we will towards right hand side, we have positive indexes. Therefore, if you look at the value of n in this table, we will have -1, 0 and 1, and we will be drawing this signal at this corresponding indices. So we will have n versus x of n. Now the coordinates are -1, 0, 1 and the corresponding amplitudes 1 and 2. So here at index -1 we have amplitude equal to 1. So at -1 we'll be drawing a vertical line with amplitude 1. At origin we have amplitude 2. So at origin we're going to draw again a perpendicular line, and at 1 we have amplitude as 1. So again draw a perpendicular line at 1 with amplitude equal to 1. So in this way we are going to sketch the discrete signal. Now let us see one more example. Let's say x of n is given as 1, -1, 1. And now in this case, arrow is not given. So again we need to prepare a table. N versus x of n. Here again it has 3 values, 1, -1 and 1. And now we are supposed to find out the values of n. So if you look the given equation carefully, here we do not have arrow below any of the element, so we cannot judge the origin. In such cases, the origin lies at the first element. So we have to assume that the first element is at origin, therefore arrow will be at the first element. Hence this will be origin with index 0. Towards right hand side we have the remaining elements, so index 1 and index 2. So the values of n will be 0, 1 and 2. So again we are going to sketch the signal. N versus x of n, amplitude 1 and -1, and the signal starts at 0 and has samples at 1 and 2. Now at 0 we have amplitude 1, so we will be drawing a perpendicular pulse at origin. At 1 we have amplitude -1, so here it will be -1, and at 2 again we have amplitude +1. So this will be the signal for this corresponding equation. So always remember here, whenever arrow is not given, we have to assume that arrow is at first element. The remaining steps remain same, and we are going to draw perpendicular lines of that corresponding amplitude at given indices. In this way, we can sketch the discrete signals.